Yeah, so good evening, students. So please switch on your videos, everybody. So, students, we are moving to the next chapter. So, after finishing this particular arithmetic progression, I am moving to surface areas and volumes. Okay, again, this chapter is again the mark scoring chapter, and probably the 5 mark questions, 100% you will be seeing from this chapter. In that particular last arithmetic progression, there will be no 5 mark question. You may expect case based question or one MCQ plus 3 marks. Like that, the combination is. But from this chapter, you can expect MCQ as well as 5 mark question. Okay. Yeah, the blueprint I'll give when I come to the sample paper. Maybe tomorrow I'll start the sample paper. Okay. So today I'll be revising the formulas, and you should know how the formulas has been derived. Once you get the clarity how the formulas are derived, automatically you'll use the same concepts in the questions also. Okay. So I'll give a quick recap of these two areas and volumes so that tomorrow this math board will be easier than 2025. Okay. So that tomorrow when we go for the sample paper from this particular topic, you will feel very comfortable or you'll at least get some ideas. So you see, I am expecting somewhat easy only this year. Okay, so easy it will be easier. Probably I'll say it is yes, it will be easier as it's the first exam, and the sums are you don't have so many holidays. But again, so student, you see, this time he has changed the model, and he has increased the case-based questions also. That means concept-based questions he has increased the level. Okay, so unpredictable, frankly speaking, unpredictable. So that's the reason we, from the very first day of our session, we are focusing on the concept. Okay, so that you can use the concept. Okay, now again, will there be any question repetition, easier question? The answer will be yes. There will be questions that are repeated. There will be questions which will be easier because many students should pass. So obviously, 60% you can expect from the questions directly from your NCRT. 50 to 60% you can expect directly. Another 20 to 30% he will touch the concepts of NCRT, or you can say through inline of NCRT. 10%, yes, definitely he need to filter who is best, right? 10% questions you can expect to exams will be tough. So new patterns. Yeah, that is unpredictable, students. So I don't know whether it will be easy or tough. Case he has increased the concept-based question, so that's the reason the students who are mugging up, they will definitely say that this question, this session, this exam will be tougher. Who are learning it by conceptual way, yeah, it's a good challenge for them. So what about standard maths? So I'm speaking about standard maths only, beta. I'm speaking about standard maths.
I didn't know.
Okay, so actually from day one, I'm teaching standard maths only. If anybody is from basic maths, so definitely you can expect 70% of what I know, I shared the knowledge, that is more than enough for the basic maths. Okay, students. So let's give a quick recap of this chapter. Okay. So how did I start? I started with surface area, students. Surface areas. Okay, in that first thing is cube. So you can see cube is nothing but the combination of squares. So student, whenever I'm speaking of surface area, there are two types of surface area. Total surface area, lateral surface area. Okay. So if I'm speaking surface area, it is purely total surface area. I'm least bothered about these terms. Whenever I'm speaking surface area, it is total surface area. So what is cube? So you can see one, two. When you open this particular box, there are nothing but six squares. Obviously, student, one square area is nothing but a and a square. Six square will be 6a square. This is how I taught. You see, this is cube. Front side, top side, down side, back side, right side, left side. Like that, if you paint, student, whenever I'm speaking surface area, it is paint. How much paint is required to paint this fellow? That is what surface area. Whenever I'm giving surface area, it is just the paint required or the crayons required to paint it. Okay. So obviously six faces are there. One face is a square, six faces is 6a square. That is total surface area. Okay. Yeah, there is a concept of lateral surface area. I'll be fast enough. So please stop me who are struggling. Okay, as I said, whenever I'm speaking about surface area, it is total surface area. Totally, I need to pay. That is 6a square in the terms of cube. Okay, for the cube only, there is another name known as lateral surface area. What is that? Is what you just need to find the surface area of the sides better. So you need to remove top and bottom. You see, this top, this bottom is removed. Only four sides. So it is just 4a square. It is just 4a square, student. Okay, 4a square. Please post me in this WhatsApp to Google. Okay, so in this way we have seen surface area of a cube is 6a square. Lateral surface area, which is nothing but top and bottom are removed, that is 4a square. Finished. Cube, only this much you need to learn. Okay, only this much you need to learn. But try to see how I am framing the formulas. I am not remembering it. I just know, sir, square is a square. Six sides are there, 6a square. If down and top bottom are removed, only four sides, 4a. Okay, next, cuboid. Cuboid. What is cuboid? You see, rectangles are just joined so that some closed figure is formed, student. That is cuboid. Now, sir, how to find the surface area of the cuboid? That is how much paint is required. Obviously, student, you need to paint first bottom side. What will be the, if what is the paint? So you are just painting the rectangle, which is nothing but length into breadth. So that is what length into breadth. But do you want to paint only one side? No, you will paint upside also, and that is also length into breadth only, L into B. But you need to paint right side also, B into H. The same you need to paint opposite side, B into H. Obviously, you need to print front side also, L into H, L into H. You see, this is L, this is H. Obviously, you need to paint back side also, L into H. Like that, you have painted six sides, student. When you add them, 2LB, 2BH, 2HL. So this is what your formula is. Whenever I want to paint a cuboid, my formula is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Student, I intentionally repeating this concept. Why? Because many questions will be there where he will just ask, he want to paint only right side and left side. How will you use? This formula doesn't work at that scenario. Okay, so that's the reason I'm explaining how I have framed this formulas. Okay, so it's the total surface area of a cuboid is nothing but 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. You can just remember the order LB, BH, HL, because you know L into B into H is what the volume is. LB, BH, HL. This is the way you can remember. Okay. So is there anything called body diagonal? Body diagonal, if at all that particular figure is solid, student, you can expect that body diagonal, that should be solid. Okay, yeah, so with that yeah, so as I said, there is another term known as total surface area of a cuboid. Okay, I'll check it, student, I'll check it. Total surface area of the cuboid. Okay, so student, we have whatever we have learned, that is total surface area. But there is another term known as, what is that? Lateral surface area. That means I need to remove the top plate and down plate better. This plate I need to remove. So what will be that formula? One second. Yeah. You see, so what should I count? I should count only front face, L into H, back face, again L into H, side face, B into H, this side face B into H. Only four sides I need to paint. Top and bottom are not painted. That is nothing but lateral surface area, means I have removed top and bottom. Suppose my room is cuboid. If I want to paint, I'll paint only the four walls. The top one, I'll not paint it. There is a wall ceiling, so I can't paint it. Floor, it is already with the tiles, so I can't paint it. In that scenario, we go for lateral surface area. Okay. Then if you add, what will you get, student? You see, you have removed L into B, not you have not painted. L into B, you have not painted. Top and bottom you are removed. That's the reason, student. Whatever formula you know in the total surface area, you just delete this L into B. You just delete this L into B. Whatever formula is there, that is nothing but your lateral surface area. Don't remember the extra formulas. In the total surface area, you just remove this L into B because you are not painting top and bottom. That's all. That is nothing but lateral surface area. Okay. Let us do one question, student, with this concept. So I have given four things. Q, TSA, A 6A square, LSA, 4A square. Cuboid, TSA, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, LSA, 2 into LB should not be there, that's all, BH plus HL. or you can take H common, L plus B. Okay, only this much I taught you now, till now. Amulya, Ananya gave some answer. Very good, student. Three cubes of side 8 centimeters are joined together to form cuboid. Yes, Tugal.
Sir, is 24 L or B or H, sir? Is
L.
24 L or B?
The one which the what in the figure, whatever you are seeing more in the value, that generally we consider it as length.
Like, that is
Okay.
B. L,
The,
L.
yeah, obviously, the one in the figure, if you are seeing whatever value is big, generally we consider that as length. So now you see whichever value you are able to see more, that will be length.
Okay.
Okay, some mixed answers. If you want, I'll just help with the figure.
Sir,
Ankita,
can you scroll down the page?
scroll down the page. Okay, Ankita, Ananya, Amulya, Fadil answers
Yes.
matching. Jahnavi, check student. You are given the answer, but that's not right. Okay, so if at all students want, I have given the figure. You can use this figure. Tanushri, no. 1 cube, 8 centimeter, like that. They just join together to form a cuboid. Why he's saying cuboid? Cuboid means you see 8, 8, 8. So 8 plus 8 plus 24. This is again 8. This is again 8. Obviously, cube means all the three are same. Cuboid means at least one should be changed. Shugal, no. Narendran, right answer. Aparna, right answer. Rujuta, no.
Can you go back?
Go back, okay. Same question, student. Acha, you want to see the option? Question is same. So he's asking TSA. What is TSA, student? Just now we have seen TSA of a cuboid. Cuboid 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. So length is 24. Breadth is 8. Breadth is, you see, thickness. And height is somewhat the height, 8. And please see, they all are in centimeters. And your final answer should consist of units. If yes, Jahnavi, right answer. Maya, where is Maya? Yes, right answer, Maya. Okay, so I'm not going to do it. So you see, all are given. Length is given, breadth is given, height is given. You just need to use this formula, and ultimately you will get the answer as A. 896 centimeters is the right answer, student. Centimeter square. Why? It's a surface area. Area is centimeter square. Is it not 8 plus 8? Okay, so let me see. Three cubes of side 8 centimeters are joined together to form cuboid. You see, student, this is one cube, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and breadth is also 8 centimeter. Now, if you are joining another cube side by side or top to top, obviously, student, only this side it will be increasing. The breadth is still 8 and the height still 8. You are just adding it side by side, only length will be increasing. So, length 24, breadth is 8, height is 8. Yes, Rujuta, any doubt?
Sir, I did for 2 cubes. I didn't read properly. I didn't read 3 cubes.
Acha, 3 cubes. So, student, you see 3 cubes, 3 cubes. Okay. So, acha, so there is an answer for 2 cubes also here. So, some students gave 64 meter square. So, you
Yeah,
see
like 640 centimeters square. So
640 centimeter square. Is it 64 meter square, student?
no, sir, it's
No,
yeah.
right? You see, whenever, yeah, you see, whenever you want to convert centimeters into meters, 640 into 1 centimeter square. 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 beta. 1 by 100 meter. Now you see 640 by 1004 meter square. So 0 got cancelled, 0.064 meter square. Okay, so the right answer is option number A, 896 meter square, centimeter square. Ponnappa, did you get the answer?
I didn't get it, but I understood.
Understood? Okay. Okay, yeah. So this will also we have finished. So try to just delete this LB from this particular thing. Okay, one more question. Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal room. Keywords. He wants to speak about cuboid. And he has given dimensions. So in the dimensions, when he is giving cross by cross, just take L into B into H. Standard. L into B into H. Length into breadth into height. Okay. He each can paint. So he wants to paint the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal room, student. Now he has some paint boxes where it can paint only 100 square meters. So 100 meter square, one can paint. One can required. So total how many cans? So to find out total how many cans, you need to find out total how much area to paint first. Okay? You need to know how much area is there to paint. Then you can go for the total number of cans. As it is a cuboidal room, now you have an option about two things. Easy asking PSA, easy asking LSA. Yes, Strugal, what is he asking, student? Total surface area or lateral surface area? Narendran, right answer. Harshini, right answer. Yes, Strugal, are you there?
Yes, sir. Here only, sir. I'm thinking. I think it is painting means lateral surface area.
Acha, so should I take the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL where I will delete LB? Is it what the formula, final formula? Lateral
And then
surface.
there's also like L into B plus L into B.
Ah, very good. Okay. Yeah, it's 100 square meters beta. 100 square meter means meter square also you can write. Both are same. And
Sir,
you
but
see,
there's a difference between L2 LB and LB, no?
yes. So that is the reason we don't have a direct formula for this question. Yes, Tanish, Harshini, right answer. Go ahead. Ankita, very good. We don't have a direct formula. That is what I have derived the formula so that you need to know how the formulas has been derived. Fadila, right answer. Student, he is asking to paint the walls. There are walls means four sides beta. Four sides means he is definitely asking LSA. LSA means in the main formula I need to remove this LB. But he is also including ceiling. So in LSA, what did we do, student? We have deleted the top and bottom. But now he's saying he wants to paint the top also. What will be the area of the top wall? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. That means you need to add LSA plus L into B. Understood, student? Definitely painting the walls means LSA, but again he wants to paint the ceiling also, which is L into B. This is the final formula. Okay, LSA is nothing but if you remove this part, H will be common, L plus B plus L into B. Okay, 2 into H, what is H? 7. What is L plus B? 15 plus 10, 25. What is L into B? 15 into 10. 25 sevens are 25 tens are 250, 200, 175, 175 twos are 200, 275, 350, 500, 500 and it is meter square. Okay, so 500 meter square is what the area. Rujita, right answer. Maya, right answer. Jahnavi, right answer. Tanushri, yes, very good. Tanushri, 350 is only for the four walls, better side walls, but ceiling is also there. You need to add L into B also in the main formula. Tanish, right answer. Ananya Mulya, right answer. Okay. So student, 500 meter square, one can. I want 500. So I'll multiply 5 this side, 5 this side. Finish. 5 into 100, 500 meter square. 5 into 1 can, 5 cans. So answer is 5 cans better. So definitely you want 5 cans. Yes, right answer, Aparna.
Sir,
Yeah, go ahead, Aparna.
can you go back to the other side and
This one.
yes, sir, how did you get L into B?
Okay, you see in the lateral surface area, I have painted only 4 walls better. So front face, back face, that side face. But now I want to paint the ceiling also. Ceiling means the top one. You see top one, what is there? Length into breadth. Length into breadth. I am not considering the height here. So the bottom also length into breadth, but bottom is not painting, only top is painting. That is the reason I took L into B. Can you see the alphabets here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is what I have added L into B.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yes. Next figure. So we have finished two figures. We are going
Sir,
for
what is
third
the
figure.
answer?
Answer is 5 cans. 5 cans. Okay. Cylinder, student. Cylinder is somewhat like this. If I want to paint, what should I paint? To know how much is the surface area, how much paint I require. I want to break this figure into the known figures. Again, I'm repeating, whenever a complex question comes in your final board, you break it into your known figures. So what are the known figures? So I can clearly see, sir, top is something like circle, bottom is something like a circle. So first of all, in this figure, I know two circles. Obviously, student, two circles means the top one I want to paint means area of a circle is pi r square. Bottom one I want to paint means that is also circle. Area of a circle is pi r square. So I already finished these two parts. Now, student, whatever this blue color, what how to paint, how much paint is required? I said that whenever whatever this is there, so you need to just cut this part and open it. If you just cut this one and just spread it like this, okay, so you just cut this part and spread it like this, student, it will spread open like this. Okay, so 1 second, student, so 1 second. So students, some of them are still struggling. Let me just quickly show that thing. Yes, you see, this is what I have shown in the session. Okay, so whenever I want to paint this particular cylinder, total surface area, first of all, I am this total surface area breaking into two circles and I'll cut and open. So what is the figure, student? It is two circles and one rectangle. Two circles and one rectangles. Okay, so two circles means obviously pi r square plus pi r square, and the rectangle is what is the challenge. What is rectangle? Can you see what is rectangle forming? I'll show in the next try. Yeah. Look at very carefully. You see the top round is circumference. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. When you cut open, this rectangle is also getting the same black color beta. You see the same black color is, if you cut open, the same black color is spreading on it. That means in the rectangle, the particular one side is 2 pi r. Obviously, this will be height h. Okay. Obviously, this will be height h. That is the reason, student. So area will be length into breadth. Area of a rectangle, length into breadth. Length is nothing but 2 pi r and breadth is nothing but h. That's the reason it is just 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay. So now let me frame the final formula. So when I'm opening it, I am getting pi r square. I am getting another pi r square. This particular rectangle, this fellow is 2 pi r. The top one is 2 pi r and height is h. Height is h given. So this will be h. So what is the area of a rectangle? Base into height. Base is 2 pi r. Height is h. Length into breadth. Length is 2 pi r. Breadth is height. So this is what the final formula. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. Generally, we will take 2 pi r common. This is what the formula is. Anybody who did not understand? So I think most of them have remembered this formula. But you see, student, he will ask you, I want to paint only the bottom and the rectangle. That is where you require this all proofs. Okay. So finally, what you will remember, I generally remember this formula. That's up to you. So two circles, 2 pi r square, one rectangle, 2 pi r h. I remember this. If you want to remember, you can remember this. That is total surface area, student. So here also there will be lateral surface area, but we will not use the word lateral. Why? These all are curved figures. Curved figures. So we will use, what is that? CSA, curved surface area. That means I don't want to paint top and bottom. Obviously, student, you will remove this 2 pi r square. That's all. 2 pi r h will be your curved surface. You want to just paint this rectangle. Only the side one you need to paint. Only the side one you need to paint. Not top, not bottom. So you just remove these two circles. That will be 2 pi r h. Okay. So cylinder, I have given two formulas, student. So curved surface area is 2 pi r h and lateral surface area is nothing but 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. Okay. Yeah. So I have also given some master formula whenever you are forgetting the things. What is that master formula? Whenever for whatever figure you are forgetting the things, whenever I am asking lateral surface area, it is just perimeter of the base into height. Perimeter of the base into height. Okay. Yes, Harshini, can you say me it is the cylinder beta? I want to use this formula LSA or CSA here as it is curved surface. Perimeter of base into height. Can you say me what is perimeter of base here?
2 pi r.
Okay, so student, base is a circle. What is the perimeter of the circle? If you are starting at one point, you should roam and come back. It's nothing but just the circumference, which is nothing but 2 pi r. And obviously, height is h, 2 pi r h. Okay, did you get the same answer? Okay, so it's a master formula. You want to remember, you remember it. So whenever you're forgetting that, please use this master formula. And you see, this formula is also used in some of the questions. These formulas will not work. These formulas will not work for some of the questions. This basic formula is required. So lateral surface area, perimeter of base into height. Okay. This. Okay. So student, do one more question. Rujita, are you following things, student? I think you are only the new student, which I am explaining it for the first time.
Yes, sir.
How did you remember these formulas? By mugging up or by the derivation part? Rujita.
Sir, yeah, I just visualize it, yeah.
Okay, good. So let me see who all joined. Ananya, Ankita, Aparna, Ayana, Devan, Fadila, Tanish also joined. Tanishri. Okay. Jahnavi got the answer. Very good, Jahnavi. Narendra, your answers are matching. Jahnavi, did you understand your doubt? Ananya, Amulya, right answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ponappa, understood, student, your doubt?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Okay. So see, the probability question is how easy it is, but you need to think little more deeper, student, Ponappa.
Yes, sir. Sir, I didn't know there'll be so much sample space.
Harshini, right answer. Very good. All the right answers. Tanish. So Tanish, if all are stars, Tanish is moon. So he'll give different answers. Maya, right answer. Tanish, see student, some mistake is there. Ankita, right answer. Could you explain hollow cylinder? Yeah, I'm coming to that point. Hollow cylinder. I'm coming to that point. Okay, so student, he is asking a rectangle breadth is transformed to a cylinder. So you see, this is a rectangle of length 11 centimeters and breadth 7 centimeters. How can it be transformed to cylinder? We need to fold it. If you see this is a rectangle, you need to fold it. You will feel the cylinder. Okay, but you see, if you fold it, will there be any top and bottom? Obviously, there will be no top and bottom. So that's the reason you need to find curved surface area, and here asked the curved surface area. Only one formula, 2 pi r h. So please use that formula, you'll get the answer. 2 pi value, student, by default you need to take 22 by 7 until and unless mentioned. And please substitute the pi value at the last. 2 pi r h, or so here student 2 pi r h, right? You see, but can I find this cylinder area? This cylinder is formed with the help of this rectangle only. So this value will definitely be equal to 11 into 7 only. The same rectangle is folded, so you can just find either cylinder or rectangle, both will be same. But for cylinder, we don't have r, we don't have h. So better use this cylinder rectangle formula. 11 into 7, 77 centimeters square. Centimeter. Okay. Yes, next question. The heights of two cylinders are in the ratio of 5x and 3x. There are two cylinders, students. So their ratios of cylinders h1 by h2 is 5 by 3. And their diameters are in the ratio d1 by d2, 2 by 3. He is asking the ratio of their curved surface areas. Curved surface area 1 by curved surface area 2. You know the formula, 2 pi r1 h1 by 2 pi r2 h2. This is what he is asking. The ratio of curved surface area. Ankita, Rujita, answers mismatch. Rujita, that was previous question, previous answer, student.
Yes, sir, previous one.
Okay. Okay, so Yes, I think yes. Right answer, Ankita. I can see that answer matches. Oh, Ankita, you changed the answer. Yeah, Acha, so you have given right answer, Ankita. Right answer. Rujita, right answer. Narendran, right answer. Jahnavi, right answer. Aparna, no student. Check. Fadila, right answer. Shugal, right answer. Okay. So student, I have. So what all gets cancelled? Okay. So you see, 2 pi 2 pi gets cancelled. I have final formula R1 H1 by R2 H2. But do I have R1 by R2 ratio? I have D1 by D2 ratio. But you know, D1 is 2R1, D2 is 2R2, 2 by 3. So clearly I can see R1 by R2 is 2 by 3. So in place of R1 by R2, I can keep 2 by 3. In place of H1 by H2, I can keep 5 by 3. So it is nothing but 10 by 9. 10 is to 9 is the right answer.
So wait for me. Don't go now.
Okay, okay, I am here only in Hyderabad. You come, I'll be here. Tanish, right answer. Harshini, no. Aparna, right answer. Amulya Ananya, right answer. Okay. Harshini, क्या चेंज किया बेटा?
Sir, I took the value wrong. Like instead of 3, I wrote 2.
You see, these all are the mistakes that are going to repeat in your final board. You are very near. Try to be cautious, student. Okay, so that is 10 is to 9, student. And Tanushri, did you understand, beta? Tanushri?
Yes, sir.
Good. So please ask students. So I'm sure that I'm little bit fast. Okay. Yes, students. So concentric circles. You see, there is a big circle in that small circle, and both the centers are same. That is what we call as a concentric circle. Both big circle, small circle is same. Now, if I want to paint only the common part, or you can see this green one, green area, what will be the formula? Okay. So how will you do, student? Obviously, student, you need to paint full, first of all. You need to paint the big circle. If you paint big circle, what is the area of big circle? Pi r square. Why? Area of a big circle is pi r square because radius. But you need to erase what? You need to erase small circle. Okay, you need to erase small circle. That's all. If you erase small circle, you got the only this outer post painted. Okay, but in mathematically, how will you write it? Minus small circle's area. That's all. Pi common r square minus r square is what the answer. Okay, so whenever I'm speaking about the concentric circles, that particular area should be the particular formula should be pi r square minus r square. Okay. Okay. So you see what is big R? Big R is nothing but from here to here you can take small r. From here to here it is width of the concentric circle. So big R is nothing but small r plus W. Small r plus W width. Okay. Yes. I'm going to the next figure. So 3 figures I have finished. 3 figures only, right? Yeah, 3 figures I have finished. I'm going to the 4th figure. Cone. Cone I'm going. Okay. So now I want to paint the cone. So student, I don't know what are the shapes. I need to convert into the known shape. So what can I do? I need to break this cone into known figures. So how can I do, student? First of all, you need to know there are new terms. So from here to here, you already know that is height. From here to here, you already know that is radius. But there is something like slant height. Okay, there is something like slant height, that is L. Okay, so these are the parameters which you need to concentrate in cone. And whatever in your class 10 syllabus we are dealing is right circular cone. Never get confused by this word right circular. What is right circular cone? The axis and the radius, they both are 90 degrees. Okay, the height and radius, they both are 90 degrees, students. That is what we call it as right circular cone. Okay, all the figures in your class 10 we are going for right circular cone, right circular cylinder, like that only. Okay. Yeah, once you got to know the parameters, now let us find how much paint is required to paint this fellow. Okay, so what did I ask you, student? Break into the known figures. If I just cut open these things, it will be broken into two things. You see, down there is a circle, that is this circle. Yeah, when you just cut this and spread this, when you just cut this and spread this, one second, TS of a cone, TS of a cone. Do I have the figure? Yeah, TSA of the cone. Yeah, can you see, student? When you cut open, what is that you can see? You are just able to see. Okay, Purnappa, what is this figure, beta?
The green one.
Green one. Down one is automatic circle. Green one.
Oh, they're like
Yes, Jahnavi.
two quadrants.
A segment,
Okay. Rujuta.
major segment.
Rujuta.
Yeah, it's like major segment.
Major segment. Okay. Yes, Maya.
Major sector.
Student, how are you getting confused after finishing that particular part? This is a circle. If this is a chord, what is segment? The area between chord and the arc or the part of the circle. This is segment. Do you see that thing over here? No.
Sir, I said sector.
No, Maya, you are right. I am speaking about others. I am sure that you are given in the chat also. Okay. Student, what is this? It is nothing but a sector, student. Two radius and one arc. What is this figure? It's a sector and it is a major sector. Why? It is more than 180 degrees. Okay. So whenever I have broken this cone, I am able to see two things. It is a circle and a sector, which is also major sector. Okay. So circle, we are almost sure pi r square. But can you find the major sector area? We have a formula. What is that formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. But who will give you this theta? Nobody will give you theta. So that's the reason, student, I have broken these particular two things into known figures. Still, I am not able to find the total surface. How did I explain this? So please don't go to that concept. I have explained in the regular session. This is the only place I asked you to remember the formula. Okay. So how did I do? I just press this one. It is cut open into this figure and I have broken into multiple figures. Let's not go into that maths. I just asked you to remember only for cone. What is total surface area? Down circle is there pi r square. This green color part, there is a big concept, and with that concept we have derived this pi rl. Jahnavi, understood beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it's sector and circle. Circle is pi r square. Sector, we don't have a direct formula. We went to the indirect method and we got pi rl. Okay, yes, Purnappa, if I want to go for only curved surface area, what will be the CSA?
Remove the pi r square.
Very good, pi rl. Okay, so by that we are just able to see curved surface area is only pi r square and total surface area is pi r square plus pi rl. Okay, so that was with the cone, student. Okay, let us go to the next figure, sphere. Okay, so sphere also, student, I have shown you some video. The sphere can be broken into a rectangle only. Okay, with shapes 2 pi r and 2r, but you will not understand in this way. I have given one simple method. One sphere is made up of 4 circles. One sphere is made up of 4 circles. I have shown you the presentation of or that peeling of orange. Do you remember or not? I don't know. Let's not go into so much basics. Okay, so please remember one sphere is nothing but 4 circles and one circle area is pi r square. So finally, your surface area, total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, so I am giving some memorizing tricks also. Sphere, if you are blocked, just remember. Okay, so 4 circles makes one sphere, one circle pi r square, 4 circles, 4 pi r. Okay, yes, Harshini, what is curved surface area of a sphere, student?
Sir, 4 pi r square only.
Very good. Okay, so student, there is only one curve. If you remove, there will be no sphere. So curved surface area and total surface area both are same. That is 4 pi r square. Okay. Okay. With that, let us do one question. The diameter of the sphere is having a surface area 5 centimeters square. Is he's asking the diameter, student. He has given surface area. Surface area of sphere is given as 5 centimeters square. He's asking D. You know the formula. Narendran, Tanish, different answers. Harshini, different answer. Ananya Mulya, Harshini, Schlugal, different answer. My God, many different answers, student. Why, student? This is a basic question. Surface area of a sphere. Surface area of a sphere. Just now we have seen 4 circles will make 1 sphere pi. What can you say? Sir, pi and pi got cancelled. R square equal to 1 by 4. R equal to 1 by 2. But what did he ask? He asked diameter. Diameter is nothing but 2 times R. I need to multiply 2 on both sides. So 1 centimeter is the right answer. Why so many mixed answers? Yes, Narendran, Fadila, Jahnavi, Rujuta. Right answers. The last 4 names. Ponnappa, no. Okay, so please concentrate on the keywords. He asked the diameter. Yes, next question. The radius of the moon is approximately 1/5 radius of the earth. Confusion, sir. Use the cylinder. Use cylinder formula. The radius of moon is 1/5 of the radius of the earth. Now he's asking surface area of the earth to moon. Surface area of earth to surface area of moon. You know all the planets we consider generally them as a sphere. Is Mega here today? Mega? Google and Mega are not there here. Harshini got some answers. Harshini, Jahnavi again mismatch. Only one of you will be true student. Check your answers, both of you. My God. Again different answer by Ankita. Ankita and Fadina answers are matching. Surface area of Earth. Just now we have seen 4 pi Re square by 4 pi Rm square. I am able to see this and this got cancelled. Re by Rm whole square is my final answer. But what is Re by Rm? 5 will go here means Re by Rm. I want Re by R. I brought Rm here. 5 I said there. It's 5. 5 square. So what is 5 square? 25. Denominator is 1. 25 to 1 is the right answer. Why
Sir,
so? Yes, yes.
Sir, after you got RE by RM, radius of Earth by radius of Moon whole square, then how did you get 5?
You see, he
It
has
gave
given this,
1 by
right? Radius of moon is 1/5 of the radius of earth.
So
Radius
it's
of
given
moon is,
1 by 5, right, sir?
you see, I want Re by Rm. Will I shift Rm here or Re here? You say, I want Re by Rm. Re is numerator only. Rm is in denominator. I'll shift Rm over here. What 5 will obviously go there, right? 5 will be in the numerator.
Yes, sir.
Got it, Punapa?
Yes, sir, now I understand.
Understood, right? So why student? Well, let me see who gave the wrong answers. Rujita, wrong. Narendran, wrong. Harshini, wrong. Maya, wrong. Ananya, Mulya, right. Check. Where are you going wrong? Check, check. Okay. Tanushri, following student.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So yes, Fadila. Curved surface area of a hemisphere.
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square. Then total surface area.
3 pi r square.
Sure.
I don't really remember them.
Don't remember. Okay. Anyhow, very good. Right answer. Okay. So student, if you remember hemisphere is nothing but 4 circles, which is 4 pi r square. Now I want to cut this. Cut this. Okay. If I cut this, I am able to see 2 pieces. Now student, if I'm asking curved surface area, only this part I am painting. So what is this? Exactly half of the original sphere. Exactly half of the original sphere, which is nothing but 2 pi r square. Okay. Then sir, here this for this fellow, TSA and CSA both are same because only one sphere. But student, when you cut here, I am able to see another circle is forming on the top. Another circle is forming on the top. That's the reason, student. Here we have CSA 2 pi r square. Yes, obviously, what will be the TSA? I need to paint side one, which I just calculated 2 pi r square. I need to paint the top one, which is again the small circle area pi r square. This 3 pi r. Okay. So again, I'm repeating. For the sphere, we have only curved surface area for the sphere, which is nothing but 4 pi r square. For the sphere, we have only curved surface area, total surface area, both are same, which is nothing but 4 circles, 4 pi r square. Whenever I am speaking about the hemisphere, I am breaking it into two equal halves. Soon I broke into two equal halves. I am able to see if I want to paint only side, that is curved surface area, that is half of the original sphere, 2 pi r square. But if I want to paint total hemisphere, the top side also there is some circle. So that means that one more pi r square will be added, which is 3 pi r. Shrugal, did you understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so we have finished all the formulas now. Surface area. Okay. So somebody was asking, yeah. So what were you asking, Harshini? You are asking some figure. What was that figure?
Hollow cylinders.
Volume you are asking, right?
No, sir, it has all three: surface area, LSA, and volume.
Okay, so you have seen this particular annular ring, na student. So that is what.
Sir, no, sir, hollow cylinder is different, right?
Yeah, so you have seen the top one. For this, you will definitely add. You will definitely add the side curve surface area, which is nothing but 2 pi r h. But the rings will be two sides. So this is what the formula is. Am I right? Surface area of a hollow cylinder you are asking, right? So if you are painting
Yes, sir.
both sides, so if at all cylinder has some thickness, then you see annular ring top also, bottom also you see two times it will be, and obviously this will also be 2 into 2 pi r. Okay, I'll come to this question when I'll take sample paper student. I'm sure that this formula is right, I guess. Yes, Narendra?
The surface area of hollow cylinder will just be the CSA of cylinder.
No, if at all I'm taking inside and outside, both I'm painting, that is what I'm taking.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come to that point, student, if at all there is a question. Okay, so shall we do some of the questions, students? So let us start with one question first, and then we'll move to the important questions of your NCRT, followed by repeated questions or the PYQ. Yes. The diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter and its length is 120 centimeters. So first of all, student, you need to know what shape is the roller. Then only you can guess, right? So think about the roller, and he's speaking about the diameter and length. From this also you'll get some idea. So what might be its shape? It takes 500 complete revolution to move once over a level a playground. So now this roller is n. How many times it is revolving? 500 times it is revolving. The area of the playground. So that means you see, this is a playground. This roller is revolving 500 times, student. So now he's asking how much area will it level the playground. That is what you need to calculate. Okay, you all know the roller, right? This is what the roller is. This is what the roller is. So he's speaking about this. Diameter of the roller is 84, student. Diameter means from here to here. From here to here, diameter is nothing but 84 centimeters. Centimeter. Okay, and the length means this one beta. How much? 120 centimeter. Okay, now he was asking the area. Please read the question in square meters. So you see, he has given centimeters, but finally he wants in square meters. So try to convert your answer in square meters. Okay, so area.
What is the area in square meters, sir?
Area in square meters means meter square he's asking. Final area in meter square he's asking. Into 500. That is what the Punnappa, no, I have not yet started volume. Rujita, you gave the answer also. Okay,
Why
you
would
have-
it be into 500?
Yes, fine. You need to calculate area of that particular cylinder. Obviously, into 500 it will be, because it is revolving 500 times. Then you need to just find the area, surface area of this, because now it is spreading on the ground, means you see, obviously only this entire whatever I am painting, that will be on the ground. So you need to find the surface area into 500. Yes, Jahnavi, is it total surface area or curved surface area now?
The CS.
CSA, okay? CSA of cylinder into 500. That is what the formula is. Why? Because I am least bothered about the circles, this side, that side. Rujita, do you remember the answer directly?
No, sir, I didn't.
My God, good.
Can you go back?
Right? You can give the answer, type the answer also. There is no reason. This question will come for 3 marks. Okay, Rujita gave the answer. Jahnavi answer mismatch. Fadila, yeah, Fadila, Jahnavi, Ankita answers are matching. Rujita, you need to check. Harshini answer matching. Shrugal, no. Narendra answer matching. Shrugal, Rujita, recheck, recheck. Tanish answer again mismatch. Student Tanish. Curved surface area of a cylinder. I just remember 2 pi r is what the base area into height. This is what I remember, student. 2 into 22 by 7. Did he say anything about pi? Nothing. 22 by 7. Radius, he has given 84, student. Radius will be 84 by 2. Height 120 into 500. I think, yeah, that's all. This is what the final answer. Jahnavi, yes. Jahnavi, okay, I'll just do that calculation. Maya, right answer. Okay, so students, some students are saying, sir, I got in centimeter 15840000 centimeter square I got. How to convert it to meter? So as I said, 15840000 into 1 centimeter square you write. 15840000, 1 centimeter is 1 by 100 meter square. 15840000 into 1 by 100 square is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 zeros will be converted 4 zeros. Obviously, 4 zeros gets cancelled. 1584 meter square will be your answer. Rujita, right answer. Ananya Mulya.
Sir, I think no, wait.
Sir, okay. Tanish. Thank you, Tanish. Okay, so students who are not able to do with now, at least you should be in the directional wise right. Okay, I'm sure that some of the students are struggling with the calculations even now. Okay, that's still, if your direction is right, that's okay, student, because you see you have a 180 minutes of exam. If you are able to realize only 70% only, spend that 30% time on this 70%, and you can just increase the timing. Aparna, are you following, student? Oh, very good, Tanush.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you, Aparna. Aparna, you were shouting for my biology session, and yesterday I
What
took
is the
biology
answer?
session, you are not there.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I was like doing NCRT and I
Go to the
completely
previous page,
lost
sir.
track of time.
My God. Did you forget to have food also, student?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Okay? Okay. I think there is frustum is not there in your syllabus, so let's not discuss
The
and
answer.
confuse you more. 1584 meter square is the answer. 1584 meter square is the answer. Okay? So student, if you just remember the formula, let us go for some of the repeated questions. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone. Student, there are some repeated questions. I can't take all the repeated questions. They are from NCRT only. Most of the repeated questions are. Okay, but I'll give you some direction how to do. whenever question is asked, real life situation question is asked, first of all, you need to break into known figures. Okay. So the real life situation, there may be ice cream cone, there may be something medicine capsule, there may be some rocket one. Okay. Yeah, there may be pencil, there may be a tent, something like this. How will you break, student? Combination solid. Okay. Yes. Whom should I ask? Yes, Aparna, go ahead. What all figures you can see? Be quick. Be quick.
Cone, cylinder, and hemisphere.
Very good. So you see, she has already broken into here. Okay. Now, Aparna, if I want to paint, say me, should I go for LSA or CSA of cone?
LSA.
Both are same, right? CSA we generally. Okay. It's not TSA because down part you are not painting, only side part. Okay. Yes, Jahnavi, cylinder, total surface area or curved surface area?
CS.
CSA. Okay. Obviously, the top circle, bottom circle, I want to. Yes, Shrugal, hemisphere, TSA or CSA?
Hemisphere it is TSA, sir.
TSA? Are you
Yes, sir.
painting? You are just painting the side beta?
Oh,
You are
yeah,
not-
yeah.
Okay, so it's CSA.
TSA.
CSA. Can you give me the formula of CSA of hemisphere?
It's like 3. No, not 3, sir. 2 pi r square.
Okay, very good. Okay, so only this one student, half of the sphere, which is nothing but
Amen.
2 pi r square. Okay, and CSA of a cylinder, Shrugal?
Cylinder it is 2 pi r square. No,
Cylinder.
not square, H.
H, very good. And cone?
It's pi r L.
That's all, student. That's all, student. You just need to add it. That is what will give you 5 marks. Okay, that is what will give you 5 marks, student. Okay, so like that, every question you need to think in that way. Okay, yes, students. So can we solve 1 or 2 questions? Okay, so so there are many repeated questions. I have taken only few of them. Huh? So try to give, so one question we will solve this model, and remaining question we'll just check it. Arshini gave the answer also. Okay, a tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Surmounted, student. So cylinder will be like this, surmounted by a conical top, cone. You see, cylinder, cone. It is something like this. Okay, if the height and diameter of the cylinder parts are the height and diameter of the cylinder part, cylindrical part. So height is nothing but 2.1. You should draw the figure and you should draw like this, 2.1 meter, and diameter is 4 meters. So where is the diameter, student? This is the diameter. This is 4 meter. And the slant height of the top. What is the slant height? This fellow. Slant height is this. How much he has given? 2.8 meter. What is the area of canvas required to make a tent? Okay, area of canvas means the cloth required, student. How much cloth is required? Rujuta, this answer, I don't think so. Let me see with others. No, Rujuta answer not matching. Ananya, Ankita, and Fadila, Harshini, right answers. Yes, Purnappa, give me, student. If I want to go, so what are the figures? What shapes you are able to see? Obviously, cylinder plus cone. Can you say me, is it CSA or TSA?
The CSA
CSA of cylinder
and
and
CSA.
CSA of cone. Okay, you just need to add it, student. Okay. Rujita, right answer. Okay, so you just need to add. You should write like this. Area of canvas required is CSA of a cylinder plus CS of a cone. And CS of cylinder, you have a formula 2 pi r h. CSA of a cone, you have a formula pi r l. Everything is given here, student. Believe me, you see 2 pi r h, everything is given. So for this cone also, the radius is same beta. You see, this particular cone radius is also this. This particular cylinder radius also this. So don't get confused, sir, why r is not given. So probably how will you use, students? So try to go to take common. Please try to take
What is the
common.
previous page, sir? I am to write now.
No, student, they was not required. We have done this question. Who is this? Okay, so student, whenever you are taking the things, try to take the things common.
Laksha Sumar.
Okay. Shrugal, so please keep your mute, student. Mute yourself. Okay, so that so many terms will be getting cancelled. You see, if you took common, you see, so first of all, some students will calculate this, will calculate, then they will add. But if you take common, only one calculation is required, and finally you get 44 meters square. Okay. Visual is the form of a hollow hemisphere.
Go to the previous page, sir. I'm to take screenshot, sir, please.
Please take soon.
Go to the previous.
This is what the previous page is.
A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by conical top.
Okay.
The height and diameter of the cylindrical part 2.1 and 4.1 meter and 4.4 meter respectively.
Okay. Okay, finished?
No, sir. Go to the previous page.
So Devansh, this is the last time I'm giving you option. Please don't ask for the previous page. We have done these sessions once again. Okay, this is not time to copy. This is time to give the final answer. Okay. Yes, students, go ahead. Give the answer.
Please go to the previous page, sir. Tent is the shape. And to take screenshot last.
Devansh, actually. Remove. Okay, no problem, student. I have removed Devansh. Okay, go ahead, student. Try to give the answer. A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of the hemisphere is 14. Total height of the find the inner surface area of the vessel. What to find? Try to draw the rough figure. Vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. So you see hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Hollow means open.
Sir,
Yes.
so they're telling the vessel is in the form of hollow hemisphere means same only, sir.
A vessel in the form of hollow hemisphere. I took hollow hemisphere first and mounted by a hollow cylinder.
That hollow like what? Same only.
Hollow means inside nothing is there, beta.
It's same like normal figure only.
Ah, exactly. That is what you need to know. If you paint from outside also, if you paint from inside also, the formula remains same. Okay, right answer. Yeah, so everybody will give the right answer. Yes, others. So try to give the final answer also. Whoever giving me right answer, you know what is the final next question will be. You will just ask the surface area or the paint required. Fadila right answer, Rujita right answer, Ananya Mulya right answer, Tanish right answer, Maya right answer, Jahnavi right answer. Please find the surface area also, student. After you giving this as an answer, the next question will be obviously. Oh, 1 second. Inner surface area, right? Yeah. Yeah, student. So yeah. So I have given the options. Fadila, you remember the answer, Bachi?
Yes, sir.
Google, I don't think so, beta. Try it, student. Yes, Ankita and Fadila answers are matching. Fadila, before my tuitions also, you were taking the tuitions for science and maths both?
So not in 10th grade. I took tuitions in 9th.
So in 10th grade, why did you started tuition so late? I think you started after in the month of June. Why it's so?
So because at first I thought I didn't need tuitions, but then I realized that I did.
Okay. So are you satisfied with my tuition, student?
Yes, sir.
So how much on a 10 scale? How much you rate my tuition?
10.
10 of 10? No, student. That will be overwhelming response. Thank you, Vach. Okay, so student, obviously inner surface area, the same thing, whatever you have said, that CSA you need to calculate. But you see, whenever he is giving a figure, you need to see total height of the vessel is given 13. Total height of the vessel is 13. Please concentrate here more. Total height is 13. But when you want to use a CSA of a cylinder, You are only interested about the 2 pi r h. H is from here to here only. Okay, so how do you know this cylinder will have? You need to just think he has given the radius diameter of the hemisphere is 14. So if the diameter is 14, what will be the radius? Radius will be 7. So from center to edge is 7. So from center to edge is also 7 beta. So this is 7, this is 7. So now from total height 13, this from here to here it is 7. So from here to here it will be 6. This is what a catch point is. Okay, remaining all is just a calculation. Okay, remaining everything is just a calculation. You see here also, wherever things are common, try to take the things common. You see beautifully they got cancelled. Centimeter square, right? Yeah. Ponnappa, are you following, student? Tanushri, Ponnappa, please respond.
Yes, sir, I'm following.
Following. Tanushri?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, so student, this is also many times it got repeated. Many times it got repeated. I asked you, don't overlook the question that is repeated and easy. Okay. So students, so this is what wooden toy rocket is in the shape of a cone mounted on the cylinder. The height of the entire rocket is, you see, entire rocket, you don't do it, just observe the things. I'll ask some of the questions. The entire height is 26, while the height of the conical part is 7. What he's saying, height of the conical part, student, you should take H height. Don't take slant height. He will mention if at all he wants to take slant height. While the height of the conical part is 7, that is the height of that is the axial height. The base of the conical portion has a diameter 5 centimeters. So this conical portion diameter is 5 centimeter, while the base diameter of the cylinder portion is 3 centimeter. You see, this base diameter is 3 centimeter. Okay. If the conical portion is to be painted orange, you see this fellow, this one he wants to paint orange color, and cylinder for this fellow he wants to paint it as yellow color. Find the area of the rocket painted with each of these color. You should not add a, he is asking, find the area of rocket painted with each color. Okay, so this is what he wants to paint. This one with orange, this one with yellow, right? So why did I paint green here? Okay, yeah, anyhow, this one is orange, this one is cylinder portion with green, you assume. Okay, yes, Shrugal, give me student. No, Ankita. So what all figures you are able to see, Ankita?
Yes, sir.
No, Shrugal, not you, Ankita.
Okay.
Cylinder.
Cone plus cylinder. That's all, student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes, Tanish. Cone plus cylinder, or do you want to add anything? Tanish, are you there? Tanish is not there. Ananya, please respond, student. Ananya, do you want anything more? No? Okay, Harshini, respond.
Sir, the annular ring.
Yes, yeah, Ankita, go ahead, student. Anything extra?
Sir, the concentric circles.
Exactly. You see, there's a big circle which is nothing but diameter of the circumference of the cone, and there is a small circle which is nothing but the the circumference of the top part of the cylinder. So there is an annular ring forming, student. There is an annular ring forming. Okay, so please concentrate larger. Yes, Maya, right answer. Okay, plus annular ring. Tanish, are you connected, student? Tanish, I have asked you a question, but you are disconnected. Okay, yes, Narendra. Now you say me, student, if three figures are there, cone, CSA or TSA?
So CSA.
CSA. Cylinder, CSA or TSA?
So CSA.
TSA. Annular ring, so definitely, student, only one formula I give, pi r square minus r. Okay. Yes, Fadila. Anything extra you want to add still? Or is it that's all?
So at the bottom of the cylinder.
Very good. Student, you all are forgetting. What about this particular bottom downwards? So CSA of a cylinder plus bottom circle of cylinder. Okay, this is the perfect way to write. Okay, you see how did I write? So it's CSA of a cone, CSA of a cylinder, base area of a cylinder, as well as annular ring also. Okay, so in orange color, what all will come, student? CS of a cone plus annular ring will come. CS of a cone pi RL. You see, L pi R L beta. L is not given, only this is given. How will you find? Sir, height is given, diameter is given 5, so the radius is 2.5. So here what can you see? It's a right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, if you want hypotenuse, what will you do? L equal to root 6 square plus 2.5 square. Okay? So whenever you're considering CS of a cone, if at all slant height is not given, we should assume it as a right angle triangle and then proceed further. Okay? So CSA of a cone, once you got L, pi RL is the direct formula, and area of the annular ring, we have a direct formula like this. Okay? Yes, now it is an orange color. Now with the yellow color, CS of a cylinder plus base area student. Okay, CS of cylinder 2 pi RH, base area is pi R square. Rujita understood beta? Rujita?
Yes, sir. Yeah, got it.
Okay, next question on the screen. Example 40. Think student. We can also take TSA of a cone plus, yes, you are absolutely right. TSA of a cone means total surface area is coming minus base area of a cylinder for orange. Yes, you can take it. Plus what we should write, Harshini? Acha, so you want to express only for the yellow color?
The orange part, only the
Orange part.
conic.
Okay, yes, you are right. You can take that way also. What is that, Narendra? This answer?
No, sir, the previous one.
Previous answer if you want. So yes, you are absolutely right. 195.46. A golf ball has a diameter equal to 4.1. Golf ball, you know, it's something like a sphere. The diameter, student, diameter 4.1 centimeter. Its surface has 160 dimples. So he's saying dimples. What are the dimples, student? You see your face only. When you smile, you'll get some dimples. Some of them will get more, some of them will be is not appearable. Okay, so that means some punches, some holes. Very good, absolutely right answer, student Ankita. Okay, so you see, this is a golf ball. This is a golf ball. Okay, this is a golf ball. So in the golf ball, one second, yeah, in the golf ball, the diameter is equal to 4.1 and the surface is having 150 dimples, each of radius 2 mm. Okay, surface has 150 dimples, each of radius 2 mm. So radius from here to here, beta, this is 2. Okay. Calculate the total surface area which is exposed to surrounding, assuming that the dimples are hemispherical. Okay. So you see, student, he is taking this dimple as hemisphere. This dimple as hemisphere he is taking. Hemisphere. Okay. Yes. Now, if I want to paint this fellow, surface area means simply I want to paint. Okay. What should I consider first? Yes, Maya, help me, student. If I want to paint this sphere, what all figures you can expect from, first of all, known figures you give me? Maya, known figures from this big sphere, known figures,
Sphere and hemisphere.
sphere and hemisphere. Okay, very good, student. Now, sphere. So total sphere I want to paint first of all. So what should I consider? TSA, CSA, or are they both same?
They're both same.
Okay, so let me go for CSA only. Then hemisphere, CSA, TSA. Yes, Fadila. Should I show you
Yes, sir.
question back? Yeah, so student, she is able to see, sir, golf is something like a sphere and the punches, he said something like hemisphere. So she is taking two figures. Now sphere, we don't have any confusion, sir, total sphere we not to paint, CSA or TSA both take. This hemisphere, one hemisphere I'm speaking about, I can just multiply it 150 because he said 150 are there. I'll just do it. But in this one hemisphere, what should I take, CSA or TSA?
TSA.
CSA or TSA?
TSA.
TSA. Okay. The surface area of here is Yes, right answer. Harshin is absolutely right. Let me see the answer, students. So, Jahnavi, which answer you are giving, student? This answer. So, give me the formula first. PSA, CSA, give me the formula. Yeah, Shrugal, go ahead, student.
Can you
Then
show
the
the question
CSA,
once?
sir.
Yes.
Hemisphere.
Yes, you're absolutely right. Student, first of all, you see, this is a sphere. First of all, that punches will be coming. So there you should first of you see, suppose I am painting it with yellow color, student. This entire sphere I am painting with yellow color. So obviously I'll paint okay, I'll just do over here, okay? I'll just do it. You see, I have painted entire sphere with yellow color. First of all, what I should do? I need to remove this yellow color. I need to remove this yellow color because punch, I should not paint this open thing. So I'll remove this with yellow color. The top beta, what is that? Circle. So first of all, there is a hole over there. So that means that you need to delete CSA of a sphere minus area of a circle. You need to remove the circle. But if you remove, there will be some blank space. There will be no color. But can you see there is a color over there? So what is that color? Now there is a hemispherical. Inside there is hemispherical. It is something like this. You see, you have removed this top circle minus pi r square radius of circle. But again inside you need to paint. What is this inside? Is it TSA or CSA? Obviously it is CSA. Okay. So plus CSA of a hemisphere. This is the formula. CSA of a sphere, you need to paint entire sphere, but you need to remove this one circle, plus you again inside you are able to see some dimple. You need to paint from inside. Then only you will be seeing everything is painted. But is it one punch? No. There how many are there, beta? There are 150 holes I need to make and 150 hemispheres are there. So your final formula will zero down to CS of a sphere, which is nothing but 4 pi r square minus 150 times area of a circle, 150 pi r square plus 150 times CS of a hemisphere, that will be 2 pi r square. This should be your final answer. Let me see. Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r square, yes, minus 150 pi r square plus 152 pi r square. Yes, students. So this is what the answer is. So Rujita,
Sir,
doubt please.
yeah, why are we including circle as well, sir? Can't we take directly hemisphere minus CSA of hemisphere?
So if you are taking, if you are taking hemisphere, student, you have CSA of a sphere, means you have painted everything. Now if you are punching, if there is a hole in it, definitely you will not paint this part, right? When there is a big sphere, first of all, you are pressing it with the hemisphere. So that means some paint you will remove, then only you will press, right? Some you will just remove that small paint, that circle paint, and then only you will press that particular hemisphere dimple. So you see, if there is a dimple, so is the yeah, you can just take the example of dimple only. When you're laughing, student, there will be hole inside it. There will be hole inside it, but there is no skin on above that particular dimple. So you have removed that particular small skin, student. Only the
So,
inside part you are just counting. Yeah, go ahead.
the surface area is ideally reduced, right? So it should be minus CSA of hemisphere.
No, first of all, you have painted everything, student. Okay, so I'll just come to it. You see, you have painted everything with orange color. Now, what did you do? You have removed this circle. You have removed this circle. So, 150 my CSA of a hemisphere means total you have painted, and you have removed this circle. But once you have removed this circle, there will be empty. But again, you need to paint inside hemisphere.
Oh,
So, you will
yeah,
be painting inside hemisphere.
okay, sir, got it. Yeah.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Jahnavi.
Sir, I took TSA of the sphere minus 150 into hemisphere.
Minus.
Yeah, because I took TSA, right? You took CSA, that's why you added it, but I took TSA and subtracted it.
You see, if you ask me what is the final, so you see this one you take, this one should match, right? minus 150 pi r square plus 150 into 2 pi r square. So it is nothing but 150 pi r square. Are you getting 150 pi r square only? If at all you are getting 150 pi r square, we both will get same answer. But you will not get. What you have done, you see, you have taken the total sphere. You have painted a total sphere. Now you have subtracted this particular part. Why will you subtract? Am I speaking about volume? Am I speaking about surface area? You need to paint it again. Okay, so if you ask me what is volume, then you should subtract. Sir, you are making some dimples inside, तो अंदर का जो पानी है उसमें कुछ पानी कम पड़ेगा. It is surface area. It's very big confusion student will have. Whenever I am speaking on surface area, there is no case of subtracting at all. Okay, so you have painted everything. Once you have painted everything, if you are again you are deleting this part, you see what you have done. I'll just show you. You have painted everything. And what did you do? You have just subtracted. Yeah, is this a figure like this, student? This figure is not like this. Everything should be painted. Even inside that hemisphere is to be painted. Yes, Narendra, you want to say anything, student?
No, sir.
Understood, Jahnavi? Not understood still? Anybody who's still struggling, student?
I didn't understand because I think it should be the same.
So you say me what did you take?
Sir, I think my answer is wrong, but like the concept.
No, you give me the formula what you took.
Sir, I took TSA of sphere.
TSA of sphere means total you have painted. Okay, I have painted total.
Yeah, and then 150 into CSA of hemisphere.
150 into CSA means 3 pi r. CSA means 2 pi r square. You have added or deleted?
Sir, I've deleted.
No, student. That's totally wrong. That means you have painted full sphere and you just made punches. You just made holes. You have not painted again. Your final figure should look like this. Whatever the particular I have taken. Yeah, it should look like this. Okay, what you have done is you have painted with this particular gold type and you have made a hole over here. That's all. You have just made a hole and this is not he has asked.
Okay,
Yes,
sir, I
student.
understood.
Yeah, okay, understood. Shrugal, go ahead, student.
Sir, I have a doubt why we are like adding them instead of subtracting.
Yeah, you see, are you not painting this fellow? Are you not painting inside hemisphere? Are you painting or not painting?
We're painting. Sir.
Obviously, you should add, right? If you are not painting, you will subtract. Even though there are holes, you are painting inside that particular thing.
Oh,
That's the reason you need to add it. Yes,
Okay.
Narendra?
So CSA and DSA is the same, right? In this field.
Both are same. Here, TSA, CSA, both are same.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, the 150 we can do it in the end and it will be the same, right?
No, so if at all you are doing only this part, you do efficient one and then multiply of 150 and then add with this or then subtract with this.
Like, sir, if we do the sphere minus area of circle after all of that, then if we do into 150.
No. That means you are taking 150 spheres, beta. If finally you are multiplying 150 means you are taking 150 spheres. But is it 150 spheres? Only one sphere.
Yes, sir, got it.
Got it? You see, some of your doubts will be cleared. A wooden article was made up of scooping out of hemisphere. You see, there is a wooden article which is nothing but something like a cylinder, and some piece is removed from top and bottom. Okay, now he's asking total surface area. No, will you minus it? Obviously, you will not minus. What will you? Sir, I'll paint a cylinder, TSA of a cylinder. Then I need to paint the inside TSA of this particular hemisphere also. You need to add it. TSA of cylinder. Same question. That is that one, this one. TSA of cylinder. TSA of cylinder plus 2 times TSA of hemisphere. Can anybody give another way also? Harshini, Narendran, Fadila, Jahnavi, Shrugal. Yes.
We can do TSA of cylinder.
TSA of cylinder means I have just painted top and bottom also, beta.
Then we can subtract the base 2 into base area.
2 into base area of a cylinder means I just erased this one, this one. Yes, next.
Then just the CSA of hemisphere again.
Yes, right answer. Okay. And TSA of cylinder minus 2 times base of cylinder is nothing but CSA of a cylinder. CSA of a cylinder plus CSA of sphere. Yes, 2 hemisphere you can consider as a sphere. Yes, you are right. Ankita, Harshini, right answer. CSA and TSA is same in sphere. Acha, previous question, right? Okay. Fadila, answer was which one? Previous question. Rujita, did you understand, student? Should I repeat once again?
No, sir, I got it.
Okay. So big sphere, you need to make 150 holes. So minus 150 pi r square. Again, once hole is made, again inside you are able to see some hemispheres. So you need to paint that hemispheres also. Plus 150 into CSA of hemisphere. This one, student?
Yes, sir. It came to 5 marks.
Okay. At 8:40 p.m. No, student, I'll end in another 15-20 minutes. Don't worry. Fadila, right answer. Ponappa, are you following, student? Ponappa, are you there? Oh, Ponappa, not there. Jahnavi, right answer. Jahnavi, your accuracy has increased now. Okay, so acha, I don't have answer with me, students. So most of them are giving option number D. Option number D. Okay. Yes, Narendra. Read the question and give me which figures, which known figures, and should I consider TSA or CSA? Or should I add or subtract also?
The hemisphere and cube.
Hemisphere and cube. Okay, cube, hemisphere. Yes. Now, so I'll write cube and hemisphere. Big one is cube, right? So cube, hemisphere. Okay, then
Sir, TSA of cube.
total surface area of cube. Then hemisphere.
Sir, CSA.
Yes, sir. That's all. Should I add or subtract?
Sir, you have to subtract that circle.
I need to subtract.
The minus pi r square.
Achha, minus pi r square I need to do. And what about the here? Plus or minus?
Sir, plus.
Very good. Right. Absolutely right. Okay, similar question. Whatever we have done from last two questions. TSA of a cube minus base area of a hemisphere. Absolutely right. Plus CS of hemisphere. Right answer. TSA of a cube minus area of a base. Very good. Plus hemisphere. Right answer. So that should be CSA. Maya. Okay. Right answer. Okay. So Rujita, can you explain me? Is it right or wrong?
Sir, it is correct.
Correct. Okay. So student, first of all, you need to paint full cube, TSA of cube. After painting, you need to delete this circle part minus pi r square. Once the circle part is deleted and you're able to see some hemisphere, you need to paint this fellow also. Okay. So CSA of hemisphere. Okay. So in this way, you need to think, students. So I'm not going for answers, sir. I'm sure that you will be getting answers. So 225.625. Okay. Hemisphere cut out. Yeah. Do this one, student. Okay. I want this answer. So I have given the diagram. This diagram is also not given in the exam. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the one face of the cubical wooden. There is a cubical wooden cube. And some hemispherical is cut out from one face, but only from one face. This part inside it is deep cut. There is a hole over here, hemispherical hole over here. Such that the diameter L of the hemisphere, you see, hemisphere diameter is L is equal to the edge of the cube L. Determine surface area. Yes, Narendra?
Yeah, we have to find in terms of L.
Yes, obviously. Some data is not given. Please give me the answer in terms of L only. Final answer. Okay, guess the final answer, student. One by one. Yes, Harshini, did you do or do you remember?
Sir, I did do, but I did it fast because I did it today morning only.
Today morning only you did. Ananya, right answer. 4 into 1 second, Ananya. Yes, right answer, Ananya. Right answer. Ankita also very good student. Right answer. Very good to see all the right answers. Yes, Rugal, can you give me what all I need to paint and what all I need to do? Which I'm able to see cube and hemisphere better. Yes, Rugal. So give me.
Yes, sir.
Cube TSA or CSA?
TSA, sir.
Total surface. So total cube you have painted. Then hemisphere, TSA or CSA?
TSA.
TSA. Should I add or subtract?
Add.
That's all?
And subtract the base.
Very good. Subtract the base area of a hemisphere. Okay, which is
Yes, sir.
nothing
I
but.
was doing.
Very good. Very good. Fine. Absolutely right answer. Okay, you see TSA of a cube plus surface area CSA of a hemisphere 2 pi r square minus base area of a hemisphere. Okay, these two very carefully. 2 pi r square. So total diameter is L. The radius will be L by 2. Fadila, right answer, student. Rujuta, right answer, bachi. Okay. So square units, you should end with the units, square units. If units are not given, just write square units. Okay, I think I have finished surface area, students. So with this concept, we can go for the PYQs or the sample paper directly. Okay, 1 or 2 questions we'll do and we'll stop it. One more question we'll do and we'll stop it. So with this summary, I think I have a questions. Let me see. Sorry, the ratios of yeah. A solid sphere is cut into 2 hemispheres. The ratio of surface areas of spheres to the 2 hemispheres taken together is to that of. Think logically, don't rush it. Assume it is for 3 marks and then do steps and then give the answer. Clarified in the video. Okay. Already clarified. Okay. Ankita, very good student. Ankita, you were not there on Monday session. Why, beta?
So because my phone wasn't in good condition, so that's why
Okay,
I couldn't
okay.
inform you.
Okay. Rujuta, Maya, you just jumped into the solution. I said assume it came for 3 marks. Do step by step. 1 mark question doesn't mean they directly should look and give the answer. You should do 3 marks type, but you should do the steps very fast. A solid sphere is cut into 2 hemispheres. The ratio of surface area of a sphere to that of 2 hemispheres. So student, you should understand surface area of hemisphere 1 plus surface area of hemisphere 2. This is what the question is. Yes, Maya, right answer, student. Fadila, very good. Harshini, excellent. Jahnavi, superb. Narendran, awesome. Shrugal, right answer. Okay, see, from where did he, from the last topic of our today's revision, from there he has framed. Whenever you are cutting this particular sphere into two shapes, obviously you are able to see 3 pi r square. Surface area of sphere is 4 pi r square. What is this? The ratio of surface area of a sphere, right? Okay. So 4 pi r square, r square divided by surface area of semisphere, which is nothing but total surface area 3 pi r square plus 3 pi r square. Okay. Yes, Rujita, right answer. Okay. So very carefully you do it, student. Jahnavi gave the answer. Is Shayan there here today? Shayan. Aparna, did you get this answer right? At least in your mind?
No, sir. No, sir. I
No?
didn't.
Okay. Volume. So don't skip this question, student. Volume I have not taught you, right? Volume. Skip this question. Tomorrow I'll take this volume question, sir. Okay, so we'll stop it here. Once we finish volume, we'll go for the combined questions. All my particular sample paper or the previous year questions are mixed questions. So tomorrow, so students, can we take session tomorrow morning 10 to 12? Is everybody has having holiday? Please bring yes or no in the chat box. No. Jahnavi also no. Okay, student, no. Okay, so some two students already gave no. Let us go for tomorrow evening session only. Okay. So I'm able to see that I may or may not make up. That's the reason I'm asking. Okay. Maya is having schools also. Okay. Okay. So again tomorrow. So let's go for the session 6:30 to 8:30. We'll go. We'll complete volume and we'll go for the previous year questions. Okay, students. Sample papers only CBSE sample paper we'll do, student. We don't have so much time. I need to start quadratic equations also. Okay. Okay, student. That's all from my side.
Ryan, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sir,
Harshini. Yeah, Harshini.
sir, hollow hemisphere means hollow cylinder means in a cylinder we're putting another one, right?
Yes, but provided that hollow cylinder will have some thickness. So if at all it is having thickness, you will take big cylinder, inside small cylinder is there, but the thickness will be added there to paint it. Annular ring will be forming top, I guess.
Yes, like there is a question in the previous year paper about that. I didn't understand that questions.
2025 only.
No, sir, I thought it's 2024.
2024.
One minute, sir.